Hey guys, how's it going? Well, you know how I like hydroponics. I was looking for a really cheap, within the $20 range, air pump. We're going to do a review on this one, see if it's any good. It says it's 4 watts. The flow is 4 liters a minute, and pressure is 0.16 MPa. It's the Unis Life air pump, UL40, ultra quiet, multi-speed control, twin outlet. Yeah, they've really come down in price. And we'll have a quick look at this one, test it, and actually take it apart too, and see what type of stuff it has inside. One thing I do like about this is it has a backflow preventer, which is pretty important to have when you're in an apartment. So, decent hose, feels like medical grade. Pump's got some weight to it. What do we got here? These are all extras. I do actually have stones already, but I've actually used the ones that came with it. Let me put you down here. I'll take the ones that came with it. These are a decent size. We'll see how well they work. It's got a T in it. And these would be your backflow preventer, I believe. Yep, and that's what they are. And the pump. Now, most of these pumps here are just basically a diaphragm. But we'll open it up before we even power it up, just to see what it's like inside. It's probably typical of what has been on the market for years when it comes to fish pumps. Wow. These screws are tight. Wow. They need to put longer screws in it. Oh my god. Give me a minute. The other thing good about these ones is it's pretty easy to find parts for these diaphragms here. Which should do fail eventually, but that's down the road. A long way down the road. Let's set it up with a bucket of water and see how well it pumps. What we'll do is we'll do a follow-up on the pump. So let's plug it in. Dead quiet, which is nice. Drop the stones in the water. Yeah, not blowing my hair back. Let's see if we can turn it up. Okay, that's all the way down. That's all the way up. It's not bad. Only give it about 20 minutes to run and see if it breaks in the rubber thingy. I'm hoping it pulls a little bit more air than that, but that'll work. Well, after putting, actually I don't know why, but after putting the backflow preventers on, it actually has improved. It's good enough. Even with one, let's one out. Yeah, it's not bad. Like over time, it'll break in even more, but that's fine for one grill. Later, guys.